Frequently asked questions about vaccinations.
It's the hot topic.
The hot topic, absolutely.
Okay, one for you, Pam. Once I get the vaccine, would you suggest still buying COVID insurance?
Personally, yes, because even though you've gotten the vaccine, there's so little um, statistical evidence as to whether or not it would completely prevent you from getting COVID. There's still the possibility in my mind, um, if it was my family member asking this question, I would absolutely suggest or recommend buying COVID coverage. But the one thing we would absolutely do is offer a quote both with and without coverage. If the cost difference isn't enough to be marketed, I would certainly buy the COVID coverage.
Mhm. One thing that I've heard is that the first of all, you need 2 doses of the vaccine. So if you've got one dose, but you don't have the second dose, you're not like fully vaccinated yet. But also, it's 95% effective. That's what I read in one article. And so there's still a 5% chance that you could get COVID, even if you've been vaccinated. And also, the vaccine takes 30 days to become like fully effective. So, you know, if you were like trying to quickly get a vaccine now and then still take a trip this winter, you probably should still get COVID coverage this winter. That would be my recommendation.
Absolutely. Will getting the vaccine preclude me from getting COVID coverage?
Yeah, so I mean, if you get the vaccine here in Canada and then you still want to get COVID coverage, then you still can. Um, you just need to pay the extra surcharge for COVID coverage, and you need to get the vaccine far enough, like in the future, far enough in the past, far enough in the future, far enough in the past, so that you could still have the coverage for COVID. Okay, will the insurance company pay the costs for me to get the vaccine? So I think this one is talking about at destination, Pam. So will the insurance
Absolutely.
company pay the costs for me to get the vaccine at destination?
No. The policy that we issue is designed to take care of costs required for your medical care. So they're not going to pay for the cost of the vaccine because it's not required for a medical situation that you're experiencing.
Right. It's not an emergency.
That's right. If you receive the vaccine on your own, would the policy be void?
So what we understand from our insurance companies is that if you get the vaccine at destination, so you're on a trip and you decide you're in Florida or whatever, and you have a chance to get the vaccine while you're down there, um, the policy wouldn't be void. Some companies aren't paying for the like if you should have an adverse effect, or if you should actually get COVID because of the vaccine, they're not paying for those type of things. But we have had one company now, just hot off the press, that has said, look, if you go and get the vaccination while you're at destination and you do have an adverse reaction, then we will cover it, because at the end of the day, it's still a good thing for the insurance company for you to have that vaccine. And if you're willing to, stand in line or pay for it or whatever you have to do to get it, then they are willing to take the risk on that and pay for the adverse effects. So that was pretty good, I thought.
Very good news.
Yeah, very good news.